Hi guys, welcome to Ogilicious. So today I'm unveiling my affordable equipment I use for my videos. These equipment are quite affordable. So this is my stand. It's actually a selfie stick. I'll be dropping this mic now. So this is the selfie stick, or it could go as a stand, and so quite affordable and can move around with it. This one, the name is Talk. I'll put the price tag for each of these equipment, and this is the mic I use. This one, wireless lavalier, is soundproof. This is it. I'll be putting the price for this when I do the editing, so you can see it's quite affordable. Yeah. If you check the video I made earlier in regards to camera lens I bought, I didn't really get to use that. But what I'm using majorly for most of my content is the selfie stick, like I've showed you guys, and the mic. I use the selfie stick and the mic, so that's what I use mostly. And if I'm out, sometimes I use just my phone camera. I use just my phone. I don't need to use my mic. But if I'm indoors, like I'm indoors now making this video, I use the camera, but not all the times, especially if I'm out or I'm not with my mic. I just do my video and that's it. And I do my editing with CapCut. Very straightforward. If you check my other video, you see we have given simple tips on how to do your videos. You don't need to do all those complicated stuff you keep hearing on different platforms. Come to my platforms, I make these things a bit easier for you to use, because that's one thing I love about Dodash. She makes it quite easy. Come and talk, and most people have used her method and are excelling very, very well. Recently, Free Flowing talked about why she doesn't have any friends, and you see she's blown up with that video. So you could do that and make yourself excited. Being on this space, just do you. Anyone that is trying to make you go through a class, through lectures, through rigorous process, they're making it complicated for you and they make it even scary. So just start with the little things you have, your phone, even if you don't have any I don't even have a light. I just use the normal light, or I do my videos in the day. I don't need to use any complicated equipment, mic, and all that. So if you're looking at those YouTubers that are giving you a kind of routine or kind of process to follow, you get lost and you will feel overwhelmed. So just start by doing you, and the light will definitely shine on you. See you in my next video. Bye.